estimating probabilities from relative frequency. A coin is normally equally likely to land heads up or tails up, i.e. it is fair or unbiased. If a coin was weighted, and this made it more likely to land heads up, then we would call it biased or unfair. We could carry out an experiment to estimate the probability of a biased coin landing heads up. So for example, a coin is tossed 300 times and it landed on heads 200 times. We would say the relative frequency of heads is the number of successful outcomes, which is 200 heads, divided by the total number of trials, the total number of times you did the experiment, so 300. So that's 200 out of 300, or 2/3 of the time it landed heads up. So we call that the relative frequency, which basically means the relative frequency is the probability based on the experiment. So based on the data you've got, you can see it lands on heads 200 out of 300 times, 2/3 of the times, so you assume the probability of it landing heads up is 2/3. So you can call that the experimental probability, but mathematically it's called the relative frequency. So how frequently it occurs relative to the total number of times the experiment's been carried out. Now, when finding out the relative frequency, we need to repeat the experiment many times to make it accurate. If you flipped a coin 4 times and it landed on heads once, this would not be enough evidence to conclude it is biased. You would need to do it a lot more times, so more trials gives greater accuracy.